10.3 problem number 7. The problem 7 states that the difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find those two numbers. The problem. For this problem, what we have to do, we have to formulate the quadratic equation and solve it for the roots of that equation, and roots will give the solution for this problem. Now I am going to state the problem. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180, and the square of smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find those two numbers solution. Here let the larger number be x and smaller number be y. And now therefore y square is equal to 8x, because smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Larger number is x, therefore smaller number is y, therefore y square is equal to 8x. And also the difference of the squares of these numbers is 180. The difference of the squares of these numbers is 180, and hence by this statement we have an equation x square minus y square is equal to 180. Now from the equation 1, substitute the value of y square into, we get what we get in a x square minus 8x equal to 180, and writing this in a standard form, that is x square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. Let me call this is equation 3, and now I split the middle term, as we can see, minus 180 into two parts, that is minus 18 and plus 10. Minus 18 plus 10 equal to minus 8 only, and therefore the equation 3 can be written as x square minus 18x plus 8x minus 180 equal to 0. Group these terms into 2, and this implies x into bracket x minus 18 plus 8 into bracket x minus 10. I'm sorry, here this is a 10, and this is 18, and 10 into bracket x minus 18 equal to 0. That is x minus 18 equal to 0 into x plus 10 equal to 0. That is x minus 18 equal to 0 or x plus 10 equal to 0 as the quadratic equation has the two roots, and therefore x is equal to 18 or x is equal to minus 10. We claim that the larger number x is equal to 18. Why? Because this y square equal to the smaller number I am going to find out, that is 8 into 18, that is 4, 8 8 ja 64, 8 1 ja 6, that is 144. This implies y equal to plus or minus 12. Y is equal to plus or minus 12. And but and therefore the second equation also satisfies. Therefore 18 square minus 12 square equal to 180. You can verify now here, and therefore our answer is right. But we cannot take x is equal to minus 10, because if x is equal to minus 10, then minus 10 whole square minus y square from the second equation is 180, and that is going to be 100 minus y square equal to 180. This implies a minus y square is equal to what is that? 80. You can take this 100 to the right hand side, and but square of, or I can write down y square is equal to minus 80. But square of any number is always positive, and hence therefore y square equal to minus 80 cannot hold. Therefore the larger number is what is that? Therefore the larger number is, therefore the larger number must be 18, and the smaller one is plus or minus 12, and hence the result.